Hi, today we are going to simplify expression involving trigonometric function. So this is inverse trigonometric function, these two. So uh, in order for us to answer this question, there's two steps how to solve it. First, we need to recognize the inverse function, and second, we need to make a variable. So as you can see here, this inside the bracket there is a angle, must be angle inside the bracket. Sine theta, here is the angle. For example, this is the angle. But inside the question, there is two angles here. The angle is sine arc sine 1 over sec 2, and the second angle is arc secant 3. Both angles are add up together. So there's two angles inside. Oops. Okay. Now, first we need to do is we need to make a variable. So we have recognized the trigonometric function. So we need to make a variable. So we let a equal with this part, arc sine 1 over sec 2. So we bring the arc sine to the opposite side. You can choose any letter actually. So and then we make a triangle. So sine A is opposite over hypotenuse. This is one opposite, and this is the hypotenuse part. And in order for us to find the unknown side, we need to use the Pythagoras theorem. So sec 2 square minus with 1 square, what we get is 1, and then we need to make variable for the second angle, which is arcsecant. So I choose letter B equal to arcsecant 3. Bring the arcsecant to the opposite side. Now we make a triangle. So secant is hypotenuse over opposite, 3 over 1. So this is actually 3 over 1. So we have to find the unknown angle using the Pythagoras theorem. So here is 3 square is 9, minus with 1 we got 8. So the answer is 8. And then after that we substitute it. We replace the arc sine and the arcsecant with the respective letter that we have chosen. Sine A plus B. So you realize that this is somewhat similar to a formula, this formula, which is addition formula. Sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. Now we just need to replace it. So I continue it here. Sine A, we look at the sine A angle. Sine A is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over sec 2. Now cos B, cosine B is addition over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 3. Plus with sine B, opposite over adjacent. Opposite of hypotenuse. And then cosine A, look at here, adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over sec 2. So that leaves us with 1 multiplied by 1, we got 1. Sec 2 multiplied by 3, we got sec 2, 3, so I put it in front, plus with sec 8 over 3 sec 2. So that leaves us with, this is the final answer. So this is the answer. We don't need, you can, if the question asks you without using a calculator, this is the final answer. So we don't need any decimal places here. Next question. We are going to do the same thing, we choose a letter. I choose A. A equal with the angle, first angle, which is arctan, sec 3 of the tangent to the opposite side. And we find the unknown side. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. So in order for us to find the unknown side, we use the Pythagoras theorem. So what we get is 3 power of 2 plus with 1 power of 2, we got 4. 4 is 2, so this side is 2. Then we let B equal to the second angle, which is cosine. Bring the cosine to the opposite side. We make a triangle adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1. Okay. So we replace the angle, the function, trig function with the respective letter A plus B. So A plus B is sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. So I'm going to continue on here. So sine A is opposite of hypotenuse, which is sec 3 over 2, and cos B is adjacent of hypotenuse, which is 1 over sec 2. Sine B 1 over sec 2, and cosine A is 1 over 2. So when we multiply this side, it was with 3 and 2 sec 2 plus with 1 over 2 sec 2. Since the denominator is the same, so we can make this as a single expression. Sec 3 plus 1 over 2 sec 2. So this is the final answer. Now for us to solve this question, the same thing, we use the same thing. So there's a coefficient in front of the trig function, so we can ignore for a while. So we let I want to choose gamma as my letter. Equals up sine 3 over 5. So sine gamma is equal to 3 over 5. And the angle that we get is, the side, 3 and 5, yeah, opposite and hypotenuse. So 5 square is 25 minus with 9. What we get is 16, and then we got 4 here. Yes. Then okay, will just be easier. Right. First we replace the letter cosine 2 gamma plus B. So there's two double angle addition angle formula. So the formula is cosine 2 gamma multiply with cosine B minus with sine 2 gamma multiply with sine B. So cosine B is pi over 2, so cos pi over 2 is 0, so we can ignore this expression since this function, when we multiply with cosine B, we will get 0. Sine 2 gamma is, so this is a double angle formula, so sine 2 gamma is 2 sine gamma cosine gamma. and then we need to multiply with sine B. So I simplify this part by substituting with the formula, double angle formula. So 2 sine gamma is opposite of hypotenuse, which is 3 over 5. Cosine gamma is 4 over 5. So sine B is pi over 2, which is 1. You can input inside your calculator and we get the answer is 1. Make sure your calculator is in radian mode. Pi over 2 is equal as 90 degrees. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16. I mean, 16. No, no. It's 12 over 25. So 2 multiplied by 12 is 24 over 25. Equals negative sign. So this is the final answer. So for this question, we do the same thing. So we ignore the 2 first. We make a variable, choose a letter. I'll choose A equal to up cosine 3 over 5. So we brought the cosine to the opposite side. We got cosine A over 3 equal to 3 over 5. So we make a triangle. Opposite is addition of hypotenuse. So 5 square minus 3 square is 25 minus 9 plus 16. 16 plus 4. Yes. And then we replace the A. We replace the up cosine 3 over 5 with A sine 2A. So this is double angle formula. So replace it with the double angle formula, which is sine A 2 sine A cos A. So 2 sine A is 4 over 5. Cosine A is 3 over 5. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So so the final answer is 24 over 25. So that's it. Thank you for watching.